afternoon, friends. Welcome to the mid-market update from the advisory desk. Today being the first session of the week, we started on a flat note, mirroring the Asian indices, which were trading almost flattish when the market opened. Then slowly and eventually a market picked up, and Sensex currently is trading by almost 110 points up at day's high. We have participation in certain sectors which are taking the market up. This is led by Reliance in the oil and gas space. We have ONGC. We have real estate sector, which is doing immensely well after last week, which we saw brutally brought down on the stocks. Today DLF is up by almost 3.5%. We have HDIL, that stock which hammered to all-time low, is now almost 13% up to over 41 rupees. We have also the banking sector, which is doing good. SBI, Axis Bank and ICICI Bank, the leading gainers. We have metals, especially Tata Steel. We have JSW Steel, Jindal Steel, Hindalco, all participating on the upside. The laggards for the day are IT and auto. TCS, Infosys under pressure, down by almost 1 to 2% respectively. We have auto stocks like M&M, Tata Motors, Maruti, which are down by almost 1 to 2% because we got the auto sales number from Maruti, which was almost flattish to negative. The numbers are not that kind of positive or kind of showing that the car sales are improving. But overall, this year the expectation is that they will see a degrowth of almost 13 to 14%. Of the lot, Tata Motors is the biggest kind of loser on that. The sales might decline more than 30 to 35%. In the two-wheeler sales, TVS Motors did a good job by kind of giving out numbers which was same on previous year ago. So it is kind of a mixed numbers. Two-wheelers doing good, four-wheelers still struggling to find their foot space. Friends, coming back to the stocks, there are news. We have Gitanjali Gems, which is now put back into the 5% circuit filter after hitting successfully low for the previous couple of sessions. The stock has corrected almost 60% from its high, and right now is trading at 224 rupees. Still there are sellers waiting to sell, but no buyers. Second stock which is there, like the banking kind of prospects which we see are the Muthoot Finance, we have Spice, we have kind of Reliance, L&T. So these are a couple of stocks which are in the race, and today is the last day to submit the application for getting the banking license. Now all might not get the license, maybe 3 or 4 would get it, but this process will entirely take 6 months to complete. So need to wait and watch for this space as to who getting the license. IFCI and also Shriram Transport are some of the leading front runners who might eventually get it later. Friends, on the Forex part, we have rupee at 59.08, almost getting 40 paisa stronger. This is kind of definitely a good movement after it hit all-time low of almost 61 to 60.80. So we also saw the FIs buying on Friday to the tune of 1,000 crores after selling for kind of previous 3 or 4 sessions. Friends, overall the government also today came out that finance minister with the prime minister is kind of having a meeting on to push the reforms on the kind of infrastructure, power, coal, kind of all the sectors which they need the regulators. So kind of activities happening which is kind of exciting the markets. So we need to wait and watch how this unfolds and happens throughout the week. That's all the news and updates. We will get more back to you in post market. Thank you.